Hello, what is a watch list? Well, a watch list is a list of stocks that you create, you select a specific type of stocks to add it to a list so that you can swing trade from that list. And we like to have a list that we can swing trade for an entire year. And this list is 2025 watch list. Now we are working on 2026 watch list, and as we are going through it, if we are finding some stock that are already well positioned for buying, we are adding it to this current list. But we are taking note of those good ones that will make up 2026 watch list so that we can retrieve the list from here to create 2026 watch list. Now we are going to analyze 5 stocks from here to see if they are well positioned, if they are good stocks to make up 2026 watch list using long option and swing trading strategy. The first one is APH. To create your own watch list, you wanted to analyze them using maximum monthly chart to see the overall trend of the stock chart. And APH, let's see if that's all we have. APH. So when you look at the chart on the maximum monthly chart, you have your date on the x-axis from the past to the present, and you have your price on the y-axis from 0 up. So when you look at APH, you don't want it to trace support line passing by the valley of the mountain, and a good stock to add to your watch list should have higher lows at the valley of the mountain and should have a higher mountain, a higher peak at the top of the mountain. So we have higher lows at the valley of the mountain. That's great. Now we can see if we are having a taller mountain. And yes, we are having taller mountain at the top as well. So therefore it is a yes to add it to your watch list. And right now is going really high. And you can select which support lines you like to buy at next time. And we have those 2 that we selected, and we are going to keep those. So this is a good one. So the next one is TDY. So TDY, we can trace some support lines, and you want those to pass by the bottom of the V that you can see easily. For some reason, okay, and then we can start from here as well. It has not touched base with those in a while. For some reason, those is not okay. And then we can do this one. So it seems to be respecting this support line, and this support line is many years long. Now let's see the peak at the mountain. Yes, it's reaching a taller peak every year and a half or 2. But here it took 3 years or so to reach it, and then reach it this year, and now it's on its way down. So this is going to be the line to buy at. And yes, this can be added to 2026 watch list, and this will be a line to buy at. The next one is ZBRA. ZBRA. Okay, so ZBRA, we can trace some lines here to see what is going on. This will go higher up. So it's not respecting this line. It went below it. and this will be more like horizontal, and we do not do horizontal line. So we have this value line could have been a good value line, but it's not respecting it. It went below a quarter bit here, and it reached a new high. Let's see, we are having a new high along the way, but here is 2021. For some reason it reached quite a bit of a higher peak there that is having a problem duplicating, but until then it has been growing steadily just fine. Another thing you can try to determine is if this growth was not like that, would that be growing normally. So I don't trace resistant line, but we can trace it here in this. Since we cannot rely on this to do anything just yet, is out of ordinary for it. So by doing that, we notice that yeah, is pretty much following is resistant trend, and then it fell back here even lower. So not knowing well how it's going to handle its peak, we better not adding it to our watch list. So pretty much he has issue at the peak and he has issue at the valley. For that reason, it is a no. And I say a no 2 years ago, and it's still a no. And maybe what we can add here is doesn't respect its valley, no its peak. Okay, so the next one is TRMB. TRMB. So TRMB, clearly I can see higher lows at the valley here. And we can continue tracing those, passing that by those obvious V. And it seems to be respecting this line. Now let's see if we are having higher highs at the peak. And yes, we are every few years, maybe 4 years or so. And then we have this around 2020, 2021, a sharp growth there, but it seems to be trying to exceed it. It's getting there, just not there yet, but it could well get there and break that pattern. Since it is on its way up, but then it's falling back, go up, falling back, and did it again. So each time is getting higher and higher. So yes, we can add it to the watch list. If we find it here, we can buy some more and go from it. So 2 years ago I said no to it, but this time the answer is yes. It has higher lows at the valley and has higher highs at the peak. It's just struggling to exceed the pandemic growth, but it's getting there and could make it. For that reason, the answer is yes. We can add it to the watch list, and I can just put, I don't know, good chart or okay. A lot of time I like to put okay for those. But the next one is IBM. So IBM, let's trace some lines here. Clearly IBM is following this line. Okay, so it's uptrending. Though those in touch base with it. Let's see if we have higher highs at the peak. Yes, we did. It takes a while though. Like this one, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 10 years to exceed it. And then when it exceeded, it went all the way there, and it took all the way here before it exceeded again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, but I think it started somewhere here. So this, it will be one of a short time, a short term investment type that you'll buy at this value line and sell it about 10 years later to lock in this growth. So right now is on its way up, so therefore it's not a time to buy, but it's okay putting it in the portfolio with that in mind, that it is a short-term investment type of stocks that can be invested in using swing trading strategy by buying it at the value line and wait about 10 years or so to sell it. So when it's going to come down here, it could take that many years to touch base with it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years to touch base with it. So we can add something here, that short-term investment, and put 10 years to reach peak. Is it 6 years to reach valley? That way next time you come across it, you know that you have that note for yourself. So as we look at those 5 that we analyze, all but this one could make it to 2025 watch list, and this one could be added to a short-term investment watch list, because it's one that you might buy but may not sell the same year, and there is no guarantee you'll even buy it this year if it's taking that long to come back down to the valley. So thank you so much for watching our videos. We thank you for your time. Thank you for all your comments, and thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, Cross of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and NASDAQ.com our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow your account from there. We have a small group online workshop available on our online store, liberdownload.com, where you can practice analyzing stocks to see if a stock is well positioned for you to buy. If you are interested, will you please check it out and reserve a seat. The next one is scheduled for Saturday, December 6, 2025. For more tips on how you can create your own watch list, will you please check the playlist in the description of this video. Thank you for your time.